stop buying into the lies. You know you do it. You're looking at Facebook, you're seeing all these amazing photos, and you're thinking their life is perfect. Don't you wish? Nobody's life is perfect. And when you start telling yourself those lies, you are making your life worse. I want you to do this today, is I want you to think about the fact that what you see is only a small portion of what that person wants you to see. They're not giving you what I call the ugly part of their life. They're not telling you their problems, and they're not advertising the things that suck in their life. So what I want you to do is focus on gratitude and focus on all that you're thankful for, and stop looking at everybody else's life and thinking that it's better, because it's not. Have a super great day.